আপনার কোনো সাহায্যের প্রয়োজন হলে আমার ফটোতে টাচ করুন।
Bole is a free engine.
Engine.
Free, say a prefixer. Free, say
এটা জোরে জোরে পড়ো। Fire.
today. Today Lily woke up with a big smile on her face because it was the 1st of November and her birthday was now just 2 weeks away. Her grandfather had come for a short visit and like every time they gifted a plant to her, Lily asked, "Why do you give me a plant every time you visit?" Grandpa sighed, "Because when this plant will grow it will give us more oxygen and clean and fresh air." Lily kept the new plant beside a bunch of other plants in a village. Later in the afternoon, over Louds Valley, looking at the plant, Lily sighed, "I did, Ma, Papa, shall we give plant as a return gift to my friend on my birthday?" Lily's apprentice very surprised, but the liked the idea and asked how she had to go for it. Lily sighed, "Just like Grandma and Grandpa give me a plant every time to get, I also could give a plant to each of my friends." Lily's apprentice smiled and said, "Tomorrow we will go to the nursery and get those plants."
Wish.
The next day, Lily and her grandpa went to the nursery and saw lots of different plants. Lily selected cloudful ones and said to Grandpa, "I am really excited to give this gift to my friend and can't wait to see how they feel."
বাহ, দারুণ পড়েছো, বেশ তাড়াতাড়ি।
She also made a hundred note to give with each plant it read, "Take care of them and water them regular."
Days.
Passed by and soon it was Lily's birthday. All her friends come to her house in colorful dresses with gifts. Lily cut the cake. Everybody sang the birthday song and visited her, but Lily was waiting for the moment to give the return gift the she had selected.
Wish.
Family, the moment everybody and so sighed her, "Are your return gift?" All her friends very excited to see the colorful plant. Lily also told to see the colorful plant. Lily also told her friends, "I have all look after them. They will help protect our every month be giving plenty of oxygen and clean air." All her friends lived their gift and promised to take care of them.
আমার সাথে পড়ো। গিফটস। চলো একটা গেম খেলা যাক। চলো একটা গেম খেলা যাক। শব্দ জব্দ। এই শব্দটার
G I S F T S T S gifts.
এই তো, বুঝতে পেরেছো। বানান বলো।
Rectangle. R E
বানান বলো।
rectangle. N C E A N L T
বানান বলো।
rectangle. N A E N L E G E L E rectangle.
সাবাস। বানান বলো।
Humid.
বানান বলো।
Humid.
বানান বলো।
Humid. U I H I D M U I D M D I D humid.
অপূর্ব। বানান বলো।
Triangle. T R A E A I A N E L G L E triangle.
এই তো, হয়েছে। বানান বলো।
Teeth. T E E T H teeth.
সাবাস, তুমি সব শব্দ সঠিকভাবে বানান করতে পেরেছো। আজকে 10 মিনিট পড়ার সেশন সম্পূর্ণ করতে আরো 5 মিনিট পড়ো। বাহ, তোমার জিতে নেওয়া স্টারগুলো দেখো। তুমি একটা নতুন পুরস্কার পেয়েছো। 5000টি স্টার জেতার জন্য